Yes, a very high standard there from Sebastian, and indeed all the shot putters here today. Probably the best we've seen for many years. And here's the man who's a potential grand record beater, Lucas Venta. That should do it. Ooh, it's way out. We don't know if he's in the lead or second. He's been second in each of the first 3 events. Let's give Scott some encouragement on his final attempt at this amazing grand record set by Jeff Case in 1982, 35 years. Not just a rural pastime indulged by locals. We've got the top flight athletes, Olympic athletes.
Well, we're going to finish on the start with the 200 metre heats. So 200 metre runners, make your way around to the start line, please.
I'm not happy with that man, he fouled it deliberately.
And hopefully after the 200 metre heats, we'll get the Kenny's races started. And all 200 metre runners, please make your way around to the start line. We have 2 heats in the open 200.
All athletes who compete in the Scottish Highland Games Association Games are subject to drug testing, rigorous Olympic standard full spectrum testing, costing about £800–900 per test. There is no drugs at the Scottish Highland Games circuit. And if you do, nobody gets away with it for long. Sinclair patience with his final attempt on the 22. Hoping all his many hundreds of hours in the gym will manifest in his throw. And again he fouled that one, unfortunately.